Blessings, love, and this is my offering to the divine annual Aquarius solar season, Leo lunar energy, full moon in Leo, snow moon in Leo, the annual sacred geometric event where the sun in Aquarius mirroring the heart of Leo, the lion within you. You do not need to have Leo in your astrological birth chart in order to access, anchor, and assimilate this power into your being. You call the light into your body. Find the light. Even a pinhole of light can open up the darkness. The lioness within thee. Stamina, strength, bravery, courage. What is being asked of you now? What is closing in on you now? Where are you being asked to transform, to rise up, to speak the truth, and to no longer stand for the lies? We live in infinite dimensions. And in this body, in this human, in this being, we are multidimensional by nature, and we have to continue to remember this. We're in a darkness, a pervasive darkness that we have been in for eons, and we are remembering. We are awakening. The violet flame come through me, into thee, purifying. Imagining these solar light codes coming into your being, coming into your third eye, coming into the crown, coming into the throat, into the heart, calling the light into the heart, calling the light into the belly, calling the light into the tailbone, into the genitals. Remember yourself. Beyond this sadness and this degradation and this ancient depression, arise, awaken. You are the one. Thy will be done. Family medicine for the soul. We roll together as one. We're remembering each other. With the same heartbeat as my heart beats. Runs through this water. Belongs to this angel duck. The heart of Leo, the lion within all sentient life, is asking us all to truly consider with the highest mind of Aquarius and the highest heart of Leo to come back into your being, to come back into your body, and to remember you are part of nature. Beyond the fear of the mind, the self-loathing of the mind, the hatred of the mind, there is something so much deeper. There is something so much more powerful and beautiful than you could ever imagine. Leo and Aquarius have been incredible spirit guides on my awakening journey for the last 10 years. I don't have Aquarius or Leo in my birth chart. And I have to tell you that they have spoken to me and through me over many years to remember. We lay inside you. We live inside you. We are ancient spirit guides from a world beyond. We are star seeds within you, the seeds within you. And you stand in the light of the sun, and you stand under the light of the full moon, and you call us into your being, ask to be awakened, ask to be remembered. I ask for my divine Aquarius and Leo star seeds to open inside of me, to remember my soul's mission on earth. I came from a world beyond to remember my light, to help others remember the light, to not give up, to open the lion heart within us all. They tried to bury us, but they didn't know that we were seeds, and we would remember, and we would continue to remember. And whatever you're trying to do, take our jobs away from us, remove us of all of our autonomy, our bodily autonomy, coming down on us, taking away our freedom of expression, our art, our joy. The shadow banning that is happening in these mediums has been going on for thousands of years. Astrology and divination has been demonized for thousands of years, and it's happening again and again and again because they don't want us to remember what we are, who we are, where we came from. They want us to remain asleep forever. Take control of your own heart. Take control of your emotional body. Refuse to harm yourself. The greatest gift that you could ever give yourself is that actuality that I refuse to harm myself any longer. I desire to get to know who I am truly from the inside out. I desire to learn how to nourish and nurture my body, my mind, my emotions, and my spirit within. I am a human being. I am connected to the heart of the one within me, the heart of the sun. Imagining the central aspect of the sun, imagining that solar energy piercing the central aspect of the deepest part of your heart. You are connected. The age of Aquarius is upon us, and this solar energy flow through you. Remember, you are divine by nature. And even if the beings that brought you into this density cannot see you, you can see you. Learn to nourish and nurture yourself and love yourself before you leave this place. Are you in? In Leo, the human being becomes the 5-pointed star. We began this journey in Aries. The seed was planted at the heart of spring. Remember. And we grew through the body in Taurus. And we remembered our powerful mentality in Gemini and the emotional body in Cancer. And when we return to fire in Leo, the heart is opened. The human being, multidimensional by nature, remembers, I came into this density for a purpose. I remember. There is a darkness here, and I can shine my light into the darkness. And I can open my heart, and I can open my mind, and I can speak the truth. And I can say no more, no thank you, if I have the privilege to do so. Remember, we are purposeful here, and the power of Leo full moon enter into me, enter into thee. We belong to each other. Remember, I love you.